Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QTMM. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of price action, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice past few days. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, and then we can talk about some areas of resistance. Before I forget, though, I do want to note, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the final 30 minutes of the day. Right here, you can see volume increase nicely, and then you got not a massive green candle, but an interesting candle. So that kind of brings up, is this some sort of leading indicator about what's to come? So now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that because these things happen that tomorrow this thing's going to be at 50 cents. I wish charting was that easy. I wish the stock market was that easy. Not saying that, but it does bring up a type situation. So we'll see if there's any sort of continuation from that, the final 30-minute volume surge or not. But like I said, let's first start talking about a couple areas of support here. First area of support is what I would call the ideal area, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 15 cents, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. But if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would be a very ideal situation. Next level of support after 15 cents. Down here at 13 cents, so 15 cents and then 13 cents. From the big picture perspective, keep an eye on the purple line right there. That is the famous 50-period simple moving average. The very simplistic and straightforward way to look at that is, really, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? First key level of resistance, right up here at 16 cents. If you go through a short little history, you can see knocked down the price right there. And then early this morning, quite a bit of history with it right there. So yeah, I realize talking about up here around 17.5 cents would be the exciting level to talk about. And yeah, that is a level of resistance. But before you start talking about that area up there, first area that the bulls got to prove that they can fight through and stay up above is going to be at 16 cents. No doubt about it, though. Like I said, past couple of days have been very nice. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.